Good morning, students. Continuation of chapter Community Services. In previous class, you learnt about what is community services, and after that, you learned community services in olden times. In this topic, you learnt about in earlier day the community services are taken by the ruler, that is king or emperor, who used to provide comfort for travelers, plantation of trees on roadsides, arrangement of drinking water, water harvesting, etc. Now, I am going to discuss community services in modern times. It means present time, present day. Let's proceed ahead. Nowadays, as you know, community living requires organization, coordination, and tolerance. Means it has to be organized properly, coordinated, and have patience to get the result. Nowadays, community services are provided by the state, that is, by the government or its agencies or departments. You must have seen in your neighborhood many essential services like water, electric supply, hospital, schools, roads, sanitation, and other services. In this chapter, we will discuss about traveling, water, and plantation in modern times. Now, we will discuss about traveling. As we all know, traveling has undergone a great changes in comparison to olden days. In the earlier time, people had to suffer lots of problems while traveling. Now, there are many modes of transport like roadways, waterways, airways, railways are available for the convenience of the people, as well as many guest houses, restaurants, night shelters, motels, and hotels provide comfort and safety to the travelers. And in the present time, better roads, bridges, and flyovers also are available to ensure the smooth movement of vehicles. That was built by the government. In the modern time, faster and more comfortable means of transport make traveling a pleasure. They may be cars, buses, trains, aeroplanes, or ships. And in this way, modern means of transport and facilities that are provided by the government make our journey more comfortable and faster. Now, next topic is water. As you all know, water is very essential for all of us. You must have seen in your house that water is supplied through pipelines for your comfort. This is also provided by the government. But in the some remote areas, people still depends upon wells, springs, river or lakes to meet their water requirements. Tube wells are provided for irrigation purpose in the area which are far away from rivers. You must have seen in the villages that women are carrying water on from very distant places. But in this time, water pollution is a bigger problem. I mean, water pollution has become a major problem in all parts of India. First, we will know what is water pollution. Water pollution is the pollution of bodies of water such as lakes, rivers, seas, oceans, as well as groundwater. It occurs when pollutants like garlands, idols, or other waste materials polluted water of factories are discharged in rivers, canals, and seas. So, we should not throw all the ever pollutants things in the water to save water from pollution. Now we will discuss next topic, trees. We all know trees are very important for our lives. It is because trees provide a green cover to our environment. It means it makes our surrounding green and beautiful. Trees are our best and most valuable friends. Life is not possible without trees. Trees gives us innumerable, it means countless gifts like wood, flowers, fruits, vegetables, medicines, spices, and seed. It gives us shelter for birds and animals. The most important gift of trees is that they clean the atmosphere by converting carbon dioxide into oxygen. It means trees inhale poisonous gas carbon dioxide from our environment and exhale lifeline gas oxygen for us. But due to increasing of population and to fulfillment the need and demands, forests are cutting down continuously by man. It means in recent times forests have been cleared for agriculture, building houses, hotels, hospitals, transport system, resort, etc. The cutting of trees has disturbed the balance of nature. It is because trees maintain the ecological balance, and the cutting down of trees by the man has disturbed the balance of nature. It has created many problems like air pollution, lowered the level of underground water, and reduced the number of species of animals, birds, and plants. Now people are becoming aware of the importance of saving natural resources like water, forest, wildlife, etc. They are planting trees so that the roots absorb the water and raise the underground water level. This will also save our wildlife, animals, birds, and insects. Natural resources are the gift of nature. To mankind, it is our responsibility to hand over this heritage to our future generation. Our government has banned cutting of trees. Many projects have been started to plant more and more trees. Like one Mahotsav, each one plant one tree, etc. Do you know? Chipko movement created awareness that trees are important for life. And other One Mahotsav is celebrated by planting trees in the first week of July every year. It is a festival of tree planting. Today's home assignment: mention 5 benefits of planting trees, and second, list the changes that have improved the traveling in modern times. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.